What if someone could access your personal information without you even knowing? Things like your bank details, your emails, even your photos. That's what we call personal data, information about you that should stay private. And protecting that is what cybersecurity is all about. So, what exactly is cybersecurity? In simple terms, cybersecurity is how we protect our digital life from being attacked or stolen. Think about it like this. If your house has no lock, anyone can walk in. Cybersecurity is the lock, alarm, and security system for your online world. Every day, you use it without thinking. When you log into your bank app, when you check your email, or when you save files online. But here's something most people don't realize. Hackers don't just go after big companies. They often target regular people because it's easier. For example, using weak passwords, clicking fake links, or connecting to unsafe Wi-Fi. But this doesn't stop with individuals. Companies, big or small, face the same risks, just on a larger scale. Instead of one person's data, it could be thousands of customer records, financial systems, or even entire business operations. And when a company is attacked, the impact can be serious. Loss of money, damage to reputation, or even shutting down operations. That's why you hear so much about cybersecurity in workplaces. So how does cybersecurity actually protect you and businesses? It focuses on three simple things. First, privacy, also called confidentiality, making sure only the right people can see your information. Second, accuracy, also called integrity, making sure data isn't changed or tampered with. Third, access, also called availability, making sure systems and information are available when needed. Together, these help keep both individuals and organizations safe. So what can you start doing today? Keep it simple. Use strong, different passwords. Turn on two-step verification. Be careful with links you click. Cybersecurity isn't just for experts. It's something everyone needs, at home and at work, because we all live online now. And the more you understand it, the better you can protect yourself. If you want simple breakdowns like this, stay tuned.